Finding the perfect commercial vacuum keeps your workspace immaculate and professional. Choosing the best vacuum cleaner for office settings ensures you get powerful suction, quiet operation, and durable performance. Let's dive into the top-rated models that will keep your floors pristine and your team productive. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Eureka Power Speed Vacuum Cleaner for Office. The Eureka Power Speed stands out as a highly versatile upright choice for modern workspaces, particularly due to its newly upgraded cyclone system. This advanced technology is specifically engineered to handle everything from large, heavy debris down to microscopic dust particles, making it ideal for maintaining a pristine office image. With 5 distinct height settings, it seamlessly transitions across various floor types, including low-pile commercial carpets, plush rugs, and hard surfaces. Its smoothly rolling wheels ensure that hardwood or vinyl office floors remain completely free of unsightly scratches and gouges. Despite its industrial-grade capabilities and deep penetrating carpet suction, the vacuum maintains a lightweight design that minimizes operator fatigue during long cleaning shifts. For specialized tasks, a quick-release handle connects instantly to a stretch hose, enabling effortless above-floor cleaning. Onboard storage holds a 7-inch crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool to easily refresh curtains, high-ceiling corners, and door frames. It also excels in indoor air quality by trapping 99.9% of dust, dander, and common allergens.
Number 2. Eureka NUE10AE5 Vacuum Cleaner for Office. The Eureka NUE10AE5 is a compact powerhouse engineered to deliver exceptional multi-surface suction without cluttering small office storage spaces. Weighing a mere 7.7 pounds, this featherweight, bagless upright model can be effortlessly carried upstairs or down long hallways by any staff member. Its efficiency is anchored by a generous 10.5-inch wide cleaning path, which allows the user to cover expansive floor areas in significantly less time. The machine effortlessly lifts embedded dirt and hair from both carpets and hard floors, maintaining consistent suction throughout the workspace. For detailed cleaning, the quick-release handle accommodates the included crevice tool and dusting brush, allowing teams to clear dust from windowsills, desk chairs, and tight corners. One of its most appealing features for budget-conscious office management is its eco-friendly, low-maintenance design. The vacuum features a washable helter that can be simply rinsed and air-dried, completely eliminating the recurring cost of replacement bags or filters.
Number 3. Shark Freestyle Max Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for Office. For offices prioritizing speed and agility, the Shark Freestyle Max Cordless offers unmatched freedom from the limitations of wall outlets. Delivering Shark's most powerful multi-surface cordless suction, this unit features 2 optimized brush roll speeds tailored for deep carpet cleaning and bare floor performance. Because it operates entirely without a cord, cleaning crews can move fluidly between cubicles, conference rooms, and reception areas without worrying about tripping hazards or tangled cords. Weighing under 7 pounds, it stands as an incredibly agile upright that makes quick pickups of daily messes feel entirely effortless. Maintenance is highly streamlined to reduce workplace downtime. The system is designed to minimize clogs and blockages, keeping performance consistent over time. It features a large-capacity removable dust cup that allows for extended cleaning sessions and offers hands-free debris disposal to keep hands clean. When the job is done, the vacuum sits in a compact, space-saving charging dock that keeps it upright, charged, and ready for immediate deployment. Furthermore, powerful integrated LED headlights illuminate hidden dust and debris under desks and cabinets, ensuring that no spot is missed during low-light evening cleaning routines.
Number 4. Bissell Commercial BGU1937T Vacuum Cleaner for Office. The Bissell Commercial BGU1937T is a heavy-duty workhorse built explicitly to withstand the rigorous demands of high-traffic corporate environments. Utilizing professional-grade industrial suction, it delivers a thorough clean across demanding carpets, bare floors, and fabric upholstery. Business owners will appreciate the advanced bagless filtration system, which features a massive Pro Cup dirt container. This design removes the need for ongoing paper bag purchases, while the washable filters dramatically lower long-term maintenance overhead. Versatility is enhanced by a rugged onboard toolkit featuring a crevice tool, a combination dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and an extension wand for high-reach tasks. Built for longevity, The vacuum features a highly serviceable design, highlighted by a 30-foot commercial power cord secured by a specialized cord clamp. This allows for quick, cheap cord replacements without requiring complex electrical rewiring if the cord gets damaged. With a broad 13.5-inch cleaning path and 5-position height adjustments, it covers massive floor zones rapidly.
Number 5. Shark Navigator NV352 Vacuum Cleaner for Office. The Shark Navigator NV352 brings premium maneuverability and medical-grade air filtration to the office landscape. Anchored by strong multi-surface suction, it expertly lifts stubborn dirt, heavy debris, and embedded hair from carpets and hard floors alike. Its standout feature is the unique lift-away functionality, which allows the user to detach the lightweight canister pod from the floor nozzle with the press of a button. This transforms the vacuum into a portable handheld unit, making it incredibly easy to clean office stairs, upholstered waiting room chairs, window blinds, and deep cubicle crevices. For workspaces sensitive to air purity, the vacuum integrates an advanced HEPA filter alongside an anti-allergen complete seal. This system ensures that 99.9% of dust and airborne allergens remain trapped inside the machine rather than escaping back into the office air. Investing in the right office vacuum ensures a clean, professional workspace that boosts employee morale and leaves a lasting impression on clients. Choose the model that best fits your office layout and enjoy pristine, spotless floors every single day.